On YouTube, washed the car this weekend and I used some new products. So this video is a shout out to MeanBee392. Dude, I should have listened to you like a year ago. So, washed the car a couple days ago. I've driven it to work. It's a little bit dusty, but I think the shine came out really well. I will cover that new hood here in another video, and I'm gonna ask your guys' opinion on how I need to paint this. So I'll cover that hood in another video, but that is new. So first time on YouTube channel, you guys can see the new hood. But I used some new products cleaning the car today, and I was gonna do this video outside. We had a beautiful 80-degree day out there, and we have another bomb cyclone coming in here in Colorado, so it's super windy. So 80 degrees today, and we're going to have a blizzard tomorrow. But ordered some stuff in this box over here that I should have listened to Mean Bee a long time ago. So I've always used Meguiar's as cleaning products, but used Adams for the first time this weekend from my neighbor, and it turned out really well. So I decided to go ahead and commit. So we got some Adams car shampoo. I didn't get the super foamy one because I didn't want to. I don't have an Adams foam gun. I have a cheaper foam gun, but I want to try this out first. Some Adams buttery wax, and I finally decided on what this smells like. It smells like banana Laffy Taffy. That's what this one smells like, so that's what I've decided on. I got some of the Eco Wheel Cleaner to clean the wheels, which I did and got all the grime off, so this Eco Wheel Cleaner actually did a great job. And then I got the H2O Guard and Gloss, and this is something that I'll do in between waxings, but this polish will actually last longer than the wax, so you're supposed to get results similar to wax using this, and it lasts longer. So ended up picking this up as well. So like I said, this video is kind of a shout out to MeanBee392. He told me about a year ago that I need to use some quality cleaning supplies, soaps and towels and all that sort of stuff, and I kind of shrugged him off and was like, yeah, whatever, you know, soap is soap. And I've always used the Meguiar's product for my cars. And after I clean the car using the Adams line, I honestly feel like I've abused my car for the past 4 years that I've owned the car. So, you know, Mean Bee, you do a great job with your cleaning videos and how-tos and stuff like that. I got to get caught up in a lot of these videos, but you really know how to detail the car. One of these days, I hope to get you down here and get you to do a how-to video on some paint correction for the car here, because it needs a little bit of work. There's not much in the way of paint swirls or spider lines or anything like that, but you know, it'd be nice to get it stripped down, clay bar it, and redo it, because you know, I can feel some contaminants on the paint here. So how about this? MeanBee392, I called you out during your live stream a couple days ago on your YouTube channel. I am calling you out officially on my YouTube channel as well. Bandimere Raceway is a track that's close to you and it's close to me as well. So you and me, quarter-mile race, my Charger RT all-wheel drive versus your Challenger Scat Pack. If I beat you, paint correction, you clean up my car for me. You let me know what you want if you beat me, all right? Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Mean Bee, I know you're going to see this video soon, so I want to see your comment down below, and you tell me what you want if you beat me in that race, and you put it in the comment below. I'll pin it for everyone to read it. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. You know, I'll get that video done for the hood back there, and Test and Tune race season actually starts this weekend, April 13th. So I'll be at the track this weekend. I'll get some videos going, running at the track, and we'll see what this car is able to do. We're at 57,000 miles on the car. We got to do some tests and tunes because our big Family Feud race happens on April 27th. Take care, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with other people, because the more you can help me, the more I can put out these videos for you guys to see. We'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. I appreciate all of you.